Hello, today I'm doing a quick video about Powerball odds and how to visualize those odds or relate those odds to something in my everyday life to help me understand exactly what that number really means. So the number I'm talking about is the odds of winning first prize with one game in Australian Powerball, which the odds is 1 in 134,490,400, and those odds are printed on the back of the Powerball coupon down the bottom. There we go, Division 1, and there's the odds of winning with one game, 101 chance in 134 million. So how do I relate that to something in my everyday life? So I was sort of thinking it's a little bit like flipping a coin, catching it, and every time that you flip the coin, it always comes up heads. And if you did that 27 times in a row, then that's approximately the same odds as winning Powerball. That flipping a coin 27 times in a row and always coming up with heads every time is approximately the same odds as winning first prize in Powerball. And the other one I came up with is with a dice, is getting a dice, rolling the dice, and every time you roll the dice, it lands on 6. And if you did that 11 times in a row and getting a 6 every time, then that's approximately the same odds as winning Powerball. So that's just something, a simple way to kind of understand that huge number of 134 million. It's the same as flipping a coin 27 times, or the odds are approximately the same as flipping a coin 27 times and getting heads every time, or rolling a dice 11 times and getting a 6 every time. Okay, well hopefully that helps you understand what that number represents in your everyday life. Okay, well I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.